Hi, if you're seeing these solutions on YouTube, click on the description below, take these as a test and then check out the solutions for free.
The smallest whole number 675 must be multiplied with so as to get a perfect square is. And it's a wonderful question. So if you look at perfect squares, I'm going to take some perfect squares. 36 is 6 into 6. So we're able to write 36 as some number into itself. Right? This is 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So 6 into 6 can be written as 4 into 9. It can be written as 3 into 12. We're going to club these different primes and put them into different boxes. But the idea here is whenever you have a perfect square, you have a perfect square, n square, we should be able to write this as n into n. So we can prime factorize this in some form. We should be able to put the same thing here and here. Like 36 is 2 square into 3 square. If I have to break it into two equal components, I'll break it as 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. If you take 100, that is 2 square into 5 square. We can break it as 2 into 5 into 2 into 5. So frequently the prime factorization gives us some insight about how the number will be. So I'm going to do that. 675 divided by some number. It's not an even number, so it's not divisible by 2. I'm going to divide this by 5. Definitely divisible by 5. Maybe it's divisible by 3 also. But 5 I know it is divisible by. I'm going to start with that. 1, 17 is 3. 25 is 5. This again is divisible by 5. I'm going to divide it again by 5. 2, 35 is 7. 27, 2 plus 7, 9. So it's a multiple of 3. 9. 3 into 3 is 9. So our number 675 is 3 cube into 5 square. 675 is obviously not a perfect square. I cannot write this into two parts where both are equal. I can put 3 into 5 and 3 into 5 here, but there's one more 3 remaining. Oops. I can, if it were 3 square into 5 square, it will be a perfect square. But it's 3 cube into 5 square. How am I going to distribute this? I'm going to break this equally. Let me put a 3 here, a 3 here, a 5 here, and a 5 here. We have still another 3 remaining. If I put that 3 here, then I have to put one more 3 here in order for it to be equal, in order for it to be a perfect square, or I'll have to multiply this number by 3 to get 3 power 4 into 5 square, which can then be broken as 3 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 5. Once you prime factorize a number, then doing all kinds of magical things with it is very easy. So 675 into 3 works. So what is 675 into 3? 675 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 5, 1. 21 plus 1, 22. 2, 2. 18 plus 2, 22. 2025 is 45 into 45. How do I know it is 45 into 45? Because we did it as 3 into 3 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 5. 9 into 5 is 45. So 675, if it is multiplied by 3, becomes 45 square. The smallest number you can multiply it with to get a perfect square is 3.